Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth here at Lizzie Loves, and today I'm going to share with you my November makeup basket or makeup bag. So I have this makeup bag right here full of the makeup products that I am focusing on and using during this month. But I want to share with you guys a sneak peek. My husband saw my gift guide video from Sephora and went on the hunt, and guys, do you know what this is? Do you know what this is? This is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Dreams Come True. I'll give you guys kind of a quick peek. I only have opened it. I'm planning on doing like a review, a video of it. But guys, look at this. Gorgeous mirror, gorgeous packaging, 2 quads, an eyeshadow palette. You have these products. All of the lip products in the shade Pillow Talk. So I will definitely be playing with this a whole lot during this month and moving forward. So I wanted to let you guys know that video will be coming soon, swatches more in detail of what all you get in it. But he saw my Sephora gift guide video of how much I wanted to try the Charlotte Tilbury products, went on the advent calendar, saw you don't get really any full size, so he grabbed that one for me. So if you're interested in something like that or want a hint to your hubbies too, I'll have the link down below. But let's get into really my everyday makeup bag that I have been using the past couple of weeks, and I'll be starting to incorporate some of that, but this is kind of my staples that I will be working on. Pan that palette, project pan, what have you. So let's get into it with how I do my makeup. Eyeshadow. So I have the Milani eyeshadow primer in the shade Nude. Use it every day. Love it. Definitely getting to like the depths of this and using it up. Should be able to use it up during November. Do have the Too Faced Shadow Insurance currently on a backup. So this is my eye primer for this month, and then I'll bring that one in when needed. Pan that palette is still the Marc Jacobs Scandalous eyeshadow palette. If you're interested in an update of what this palette is currently looking like, I will link it in the cards up above. But some really exciting progress to share with you guys on that. And I'm pairing it right now this month with my Huda Beauty new Nude palette. Love this. Really, I've been working on the shade Bear, which is right here. And then I've been using Crave on the like inside of my eye. That's what I did today. I'm going to be continuing to play with this during November. Then let's get into foundations, things like that. So I have been using and pulling out my Urban Decay Naked Skin Foundation. They have reformulated it and don't currently make this, I believe, anymore, but I am still using my backup that I have. And then I pair it with my First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothing Moisturizer or Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. Really like this combo together. This is a really nice primer if you have more of the normal to dry skin, especially moving into the winter months. Really like the way it brightens up my skin. It makes my skin feel and get ready for foundation. So I love to pair these together. But I also threw in here my Smashbox Camera Ready BB Cream. This is the shade Light and SPF 35. I love something that I can just whip on, throw on my face and be out the door. So this is something that I really like to use. 2 concealers I have. I've been trying to really work on the Becca. This is the Light Shifting Brightening Concealer in the shade Meteoric. Got this in an influencer box. I don't believe they sell this product anymore. It was a new product in an influencer, and I think they pulled it, and I know why. It definitely just did a brightening effect underneath the eyes and didn't conceal underneath dark circles, anything like that. So I do like to use this every now and then, but I do still like to use a concealer with it. Favorite is the Tarte Shape Tape. I use the shade Light Neutral, is my favorite. Highly recommend. This is a new one. I recently used up one. It was in an empties video, but yeah, always recommend this to you guys. In my car right now is the CoverGirl Mascara, Clump Crusher Mascara, and the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer for you guys interested in what it is I use when I don't have any makeup on and I'm out and about. Continuing on with face, I have my Fixing Compact Powder. This is Essence All About Matte. Getting to probably hitting pan on this soon. Favorite everyday setting powder and blush, guys. Do you see this? Almost gone, right? This is the Mosaic blush, and I've been hammering at this year. Look at that pan. Oh my gosh, maybe I'll be able to use it up this month. We will see. It is What's on My Cheeks today. I love it. Highly recommend you guys pick it up. When I finish with my blushes, it definitely will be one I recommend and may pick up again. And then this next thing, I don't know if they sell this anymore, but this is the Kat Von D Brightening Powder in Petal, and I like using this to set my under eyes. It just kind of has that light pinky kind of tone to it to help brighten underneath there. Use this with the brush and it looks beautiful. Face palette I've been using is the Becca Champagne Pop face palette, and I've been working on Champagne Pop in particular. You will see from the major pan, and still love it. I also have been reaching now towards Prosecco Pop, the gold. I don't know why, but it's calling my name lately, so I have been reaching for these. Fragrance, still working on the Mon Paris from YSL. Really love this one. Eyeliners, I'm currently wearing the Stila Stay All Day liquid liner, but I also did Lime Life's Perfect eyeliner pen. Yeah, Perfect eyeliner pen. I did a battle with these two last month, and I am still going to be using them this month. If you're interested in how they wore, the smudgeability test, all that kind of stuff, I will link it in the cards up above, but I am still working on those and using those this month. Also have an Essence Nude eyeliner pen, really nice for wanting to brighten up underneath your eyelid, really nice. Then for brows, I love the Winky Lux Unibrow. I got this in a FabFitFun box and I've really been drawn toward it. I didn't put it in today, of course, but I really like the angled of the pencil, and it's a roll-up pencil. I hate when they're like the wooden pencils for anything eyeliner in particular, but this is really easy to use. Also comes with a spoolie brush, so it's really easy and quick to do. Then I have in here, this is the Too Faced Glitter Pop Peel Off Eyeliner. This is in the shade Lucky, and I have had a lot of fun with this. I use this actually for Halloween. I've been using it every now and then, even around the house, just to kind of brighten up the mood and feel better about myself. I don't know, it's just fun to top over black eyeliner. It's getting to the holidays soon, so I may be wearing this a little bit more. Mascara, still the Essence Bye Bye Panda Eyes Mascara. I am currently wearing it now, and this will probably be the last month I'll be using this. I have a backup of something in my drawer. I don't hate it. I really have been enjoying using this mascara. It's just getting to like the 34-month mark with this thing, so I do recommend it. It is long lasting and I like the way it looks on my eyes. And then for lip products, besides probably what I'll be playing with in the Charlotte Tilbury one, I already actually have a full size that I have been wearing pretty frequently here on my channel. This is in Pillow Talk 2. It is What's on My Lips Now. It's what got me obsessed with Charlotte Tilbury is this lipstick, so I'm excited to play it with a couple of the other products. Then my project pan, I have this in there, and I have been doing such a good job on this. This is the Kiss lip pencil from Nude Sticks, and I love this so much. I did purchase a different shade from Ulta recently, so I will definitely be getting, I should be able to finish this guy up during this month. Really love it. Highly recommend it, especially if you want a lip product that is bold and won't smudge under a face mask. This is a really nice one. And then since it is fall time, winter time, I like having a red. This is Bite Beauty Maple lipstick, and it's a really gorgeous red. Bite Beauty also has a more natural ingredients in their lip products, so it's good to get your use out of that as early as you can. So I did throw that in there. So I have kind of a hot pink, a pale pink, and then, or like a nudie pink, and then a red in my makeup bag. But that is everything that is in my current makeup bag. Be sure, I'm sure my next video will be like a full unboxing swatch video of the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Dreams Come True set. But yeah, I'm really excited to share that with you guys. But my main makeup that I've been wearing all the time, and I'll incorporate some of that stuff, is what's in that makeup bag. But thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date for more videos, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am. It's like I'm